Hello class 7. It's a practical class and it concerned about the practical aspect of your chapter. So today we just have a look at how things are work. So just move on the PowerPoint to see how the exact animation work and how we apply in the slide. So just move on there. So here is the your slide and which I made. So just come on here. Particular in this chapter, these are the items have to be covered. So gradually through theory and practical we gain this concept. So just come on the here. So in this slide you can see that a title and a picture. So just go through the topics which have to cover. So just you know that you have to learn about animation. So how to apply your animation in this slide. So the first aspect is that determine object where you have to apply the animation. So suppose that you have to apply animation in this title. So just select it first, then just click on animation tab, and there you have few groups like preview, animation, okay, advanced animation, timing. So these stuffs you see now. So to apply animation we have now two options. Just go through the animation group or advanced animation. So what the difference between animation and advanced animation is that in animation group you just see the few of them, the whole animation type or items. But what happened if you click on this add animation, you have a look the entire items what the this group contains. Okay, so entire animation types you can see at this one place, so you can apply from here as well. So these are the slight change, or this is the slight difference, these two distinct items. So just I have made clear you that difference between these items. So just start the process of animation applying. So just go through the add animation, and here you have four subsequent types. So here now we have entrance, emphasize, exit, and motion length, or you can say motion paths. So where does the entrance use? So it is the used when you have to need such animation when your matters enter into the slide. Okay, कहने का मतलब ये है कि ये तब यूज होगा जब आप ये चाहते हैं कि आपका कुछ टेक्स्ट या इमेज कोई भी आइटम जो है आपके स्लाइड में अपीयर हो. ठीक है, तो ये कुछ आइटम्स है जिस पे आप वर्क कर सकते हैं. सपोज चूज एनीवन लाइक दिस feather. So as you see the preview as well, but again I make available that preview again. So just have a look. this is the particular animation after the applying the animation on that title. So these things are the quite easy. Now once again apply the another animation on this particular picture. Just first thing is that just select it, go through the advanced animation group. After that add animation, and just suppose that this one fly in another aspect. So this is the preview as well, but again I will available you the preview and this one. So now you can see how the animation works and appears when you apply on text or image, whatever you have. So these are the things which is you have to be learned, and I have to be make you understand. So this is the things we have done now yet. So now just come on the few items more which is demand of your syllabus. Just your these items like timing loop, we have a start, duration and delay. So these are the things which you have to be know. So this is the thing that this indicate that when you click, the item will appear in your slide, and various event as well in this, like that, with previous and after previous. So these are the other aspect of this feature you can do while doing your practical. This is the duration, means means that what amount of time it takes to display, and delay is that after few seconds, like that. Suppose that now this is the 00 value it has. So just as soon as you increase that, it takes time like 25 seconds after the animation will be started. Okay, if I increase it, it means 50 after 50 seconds or 50 according to the time, after 50 the animation will be started. So just as you increase the value of delay, the animation will be start late. So just you have experienced that. Just just click on I'm preview and just to see. It's take time now. And now just I decrease the timing, just you can see the experience. So this is the things which makes the difference when we increases the timing of delay, its work delay, and if we decrease it, then it works faster. So these are the things we can apply also, all these stuffs. So I think that this particular aspect you can enjoy it very well. There is one step also, the effect. You can go through the animation group, and thereafter you will decide from where the picture comes from, which side, direction. So just now you can see that the picture appears from the bottom, and just you want to come from the top. So just choose it, and it's you can see now. So these are the things or aspect of this practical class. So I hope that you gain mastery over how to apply animation in PowerPoint slides. So this is the aspect of how to you make your slides enlivening, means the movement. There is a movement in your slide. So for the today, this is the sufficient for you, and just go through the video and do practice, or just complete the syllabus. So I hope that you do the same, and if further interaction I will do extra according to your syllabus. So till then, bye.